The last process we talked about, the vinyl ester barrier coat, which was the last process in gel coat. We put down the gel coat in the first stage of the production. So we're going to start with the fiberglass lamination of this hull. This hull starts with the first laminate going down on the hull with our proprietary resin that's manufactured just for BassCat boats. That resin goes into the hull with fiberglass, and we put that first laminate in the hull. Then we come in behind that first laminate with 24-ounce roving. We like woven because it's a mixed product. It's all integrated, basically, feathering it in between. The woven roving is then cured into the first laminate. Once that first laminate is cured, we come back in with a second laminate. When we do the second laminate on that hull, we come behind that laminate and put a transom in it. So the full width transom is going in right on the hull in the mold. This is not your typical cut and paste operation. When we build this hull, we come in with those stringer assemblies and we set them into wet fiberglass. That fiberglass is put right in the hull, and each stringer is made for that particular hull. It's not made and cut and fit to a different hull. It only goes in that one model. And then we come back and we put the floor on there, and that floor is the same thing. It's only made to fit that one model. So we've got a floor and a stringer that's all set in wet fiberglass. Once we have that wet fiberglass part, all of it's wet this time, we come back and plastic that entire assembly. Once we seal that with plastic, everything that's open, it collapses it in, just like a block of cheese at the store. You go to the store and buy a block of cheese, there's nothing in the bag but the cheese. This floor is just like that. Anything that's not designed to be in there is sucked out. And you can see through the process how it's sucking air out of this process. This is done by huge vacuum pumps we have, unique to BassCat boats. No one else has this process. Each floor, each stringer, each hull, all made to fit each other. And it's a very unique part. What you get into with that vacuum process, what makes it different is that other companies come in and put weights in their floor. And we did the same thing before this process. Now, we use this vacuum process no one else uses to suck those parts together. Well, there was no way we ever got the vacuum process matched with weights. I don't care how much weight we used, we could not match what this vacuum process did.